Unlock the secret to unparalleled strength and energy with ECAs Ultrapure iCreatine, instant creatine mono. Imagine a molecule that powers your muscles, heart, brain, and almost every cell in your body. Creatine is among the most well-studied and effective supplements for improving exercise performance. Stored predominantly in your skeletal muscles, creatine is the powerhouse behind your energy production. Athletes and bodybuilders swear by ECAs Ultrapure iCreatine for its ability to enhance strength, muscle fullness, and speedy recovery. ECAs Ultrapure creatine stands out with its instantized and fast solubility, ensuring quicker absorption and better utilization. Experience a smoother mouthfeel and less gastric upset with our advanced formulation. ECAs Ultrapure iCreatine. Main advantages: 99% min, purity, 10 ppm, diisoniamide, 3 ppm dihydrotriazine by HPLC, produced in a CGMP-certified facility. ECAs Ultrapure iCreatine guarantees high and consistent product quality. Elevate your performance naturally with ECAs Ultrapure iCreatine. No additives, no colorants, just pure power. Visit our website, www.eca-healthcare.com, to learn more about our innovative ingredients.